Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two prerequisites: location history enabled on your Google account and your device location turned on. Once done, open the Google Maps app and make sure you're signed into the account you intend to use. This ties timeline entries to the right profile. Now tap your profile avatar in the top right, then choose your data in Maps to find timeline controls. Doing this early prevents missing data later and ensures your device is recording places. Next, you'll enable timeline-specific features. Tap location history and toggle it on for the active account. This allows Maps to save visited places. Make sure web and app activity is on, because Maps uses that to match searches and routes to your timeline. Also check app permissions. Grant Maps location access while using the app or always, depending on your preference. Always gives more complete entries. Once all toggles are set, restart Maps to let settings take effect and begin recording. To finish, open the side menu and choose Timeline to review saved days, routes, and stops. This confirms your settings worked. You can edit or remove any incorrect place by tapping a day and selecting the item. This improves future accuracy. If your timeline remains empty, make sure you're using the correct account. That Maps has location permission, battery saver, or location mode isn't restricting background tracking, and that sync is enabled. Fixing these commonly restores timeline entries quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.